Hi all. So today I am going to teach you all on how to do a subtotaling using system available subtotal option, and the next way I am going to teach is using manual formulas. Okay. So coming first, what is subtotal? I'll just explain you all. If you see here, we have item. Okay. I want client needs a subtotal by each item type. Okay, so there should be one total below the this item when it ends, and next again the total below the next item ends. Likewise, okay. So what first step we have to do is we have to select the table and do a sorting. If we don't sort, say example 11 ends here, again 12 starts from here, and here 11 again 2 3 rows will be there. At that time what happens is one subtotal will add till here, and then next 12 subtotal will start, then 13 subtotal will start, then again 11 subtotal will happen. So it will not be useful even though we do a subtotaling. So first step is we have to sort it by item. We have to select it and click A to Z. Okay, now the sorting has happened. I'll just select this entire table, go to data tab, click on subtotal. Where is subtotal? Here it is. Okay, here I have to select at each change in where item and what all you need the subtotal on. I'll just select total. If we would need even units total, I can select units total. Okay, so right now I'll just go with the total, then replace current subtotals. If there were any subtotals, it is I'm saying replace it. Page breaks between groups not required. If we add page break, then what happens is the pencil 84 will be in one tab, then pencil 85 will be in the another tab. That will create more tabs for us because we have 1377 rows here. Summary below data, so the grand total. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. It just takes you around 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, it's almost done. Okay, not even 2 minutes, it is done within 20-30 seconds. If it is based on the data content. Okay, if there are lakhs of rows, then obviously it will take more time. Okay, so if you see here, it says bind 11 total and total is available. Okay, so we have totaling in all rows. It is very easy, no much work is required. Okay, now how to remove this subtotal? Say I don't want this subtotal now. I am selecting this table. Okay, control home. Control home, if I say, it should go to first row. Control shift home. Okay, control shift home. Some keyboard issues, so I'm just selecting it manually. Okay, so I'll select from the header till the last row. So I have placed my cursor on the header. I'll select the table, go to data tab, click on subtotal, then in subtotal I'll just say remove all. If I say remove all, so the subtotals will get removed. See, so I hope this helps you all in your daily work, whatever you do. If it is useful anywhere, you can use it. Say clients doesn't need a subtotal, they need a manual formula. We have to satisfy clients however they ask. The ask should be always met from us. Okay, so for that what have we have to do? So if say binder 11 below one row needs to be inserted, likewise there are 1370 61 rows. It takes more time, and for these the billings also will be less. So what we have to do is, first step what I informed earlier, sorting. Sort by item A to Z, ascending it will be. Okay, got it. So it is sorted now. Now I'll teach you all how to insert rows above this. Okay, for that we have to use if conditions. Okay, I'll just number it as 1 here. I'll say if condition. Okay, if condition, what it says is, I am saying if the above row, sorry, this is the wrong one. So here I'll just say 1 is equal to if condition I will give here, and if condition is if this item and this item are same. Okay, if this item and this item are same, then give me 1, else I want 0. Okay, so I have got the number now 1 because both are same. Now what I'll do is I'll copy and paste this in all cells. Okay, so now if you see here, binder 11 ended here and binder 11 started 12 started from here. That should give us correct answer for the if condition, that says 0. Okay, so now wherever zeros will be there, there it will be a new binder starting. Clear? Or I'll explain once again. Okay, I'm putting the formula again 1, and here what I am going to do is equal to if this cell is equal to this cell, then give me 1, else 0. I'm saying if D3 is equal to D2, if both are equal I will get 1. If both are not equal, then I will get 0. Okay, so I am pasting it. See here both are not equal. Here D11 and D10 are not equal, so that's why it is giving 0. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll filter here by zeros. Okay, and I'll select the entire row till down. I'll select alt colon. This helps us to select the visible rows. If we have filtered, there will be hidden rows, right? The other details. So if we just select the rows, entire content will get selected. So if we select visible rows, at that time what happens, whichever is now we have filtered, that specific rows gets selected. Okay, now I have selected here alt colon. I'll right click here and say insert row. Okay, now done. I'll unfilter. If you see now, binder 12 above that one row is there, binder 13 above that one row is there. So now it made us easy to do this work, right? Yes. Next what I'll do is handle this formula. Next what I have to do is, how do I add equal to sum here? Okay, there are like around 260 rows. I can't go and do summing multiple times for each individual cells, right? That makes me more added time, and we will not have so much time to do the work. At the time what I'll do is I'll just number here 1, okay, and 2. What I'll do is I'll select this till the last row. Till the last row I'll just add this. Okay, how to add the sequential number I had already taught you in my previous videos. Alt E I S. Alt E I S, and step value is 1. Click OK. Now I have continuous numbers. This is the one way you can do, or is equal to the above row plus 1 and till the last row. But these things will add more megabytes, MB of the file size will increase. Okay. So to reduce the file size, always keep the file with more values. Okay. Now we have numbering here. What does this help with? Any guess you can make? Because if everything I am informing, you will not get to know. You have to now think what is the use behind this. Okay. Now I'll tell you all. See, this is first row and this number is 1. This is 11th row and the number is 11. This is 21st row and the number is 21. So this is just a row number. Okay. This will help me now to create a formula for these cells. The 280 cells, I can create the formula within couple of minutes. I'll show you all how it is. Now I'll just filter here by blanks. Now these are the cells where I have to add formulas, right? I'll copy this. I'll just insert a new sheet, new worksheet. Okay. I'll paste this here. I'll paste in middle. Okay. Now what is this? This is the total rows. Okay. If this is the total row, then content will be till beginning and ending will be of the data will be where I'll say here beginning and ending. Okay. If this is 11th row, obviously minus 1 it will be, right? So 10 till 10th row the data will be there. See, where is the rows? So if this is 11th row, till 10th row I have data to total from second row. And here if the 21st row, 21st row is the total, then from 12th row till 20th row I have the data to be total, right? So this helps me the ending row where till where the data is. Okay. I'm just pasting these things here. So I got this. Here what I'll do is I'll just add 2 because this is the first row which I have to consider. Then next what I'll do is now this is the beginning row. If say the total row of the next cell is at uh, so here I have updated 2, and if in the next row what I have to do, uh, if this is the ending row of the first total, then obviously this plus 1 will be the next total. So what I'll do is this plus 1 I'll update. Okay. Now this is the 12th row to 20th row, 22nd row to 30th row will be the 31st row total, likewise. Okay. Now where I need the totaling, I need totaling in column H. So what I'll do is cell reference. Okay. So I'll concatenate. Okay. I'll concatenate what is equal to H and beginning is equal to H comma I forgot to insert, that's why I got error. So 2, this is the one beginning, and next is equal to concatenate uh, H comma ending. Okay. Now the same I'll paste in all rows. I got the cell reference now. Now I have to concatenate this both. What I'll do is equal to, and this is the another way of doing concatenate. If we don't want to follow the lengthy method, this one we can do. Not comma here, and it should be okay. I got this. Now this is the cell reference. Now what I'll do is, please note this is the base row which we have to use it again to do a VLOOKUP to the main tab. Okay. So please don't delete that. Okay. Now what I'll do is equal to concatenate, and I'll open the quotes is equal to sum and bracket open. Okay, I'll close the quotes comma. I'll select this content, then I'll close the quotes, sorry, not quotes, comma, then close the bracket, and I close the. Now I got a formula concatenated, right? So this is the formula which something went wrong. Give me a minute. I think I pasted as values. I'm sorry. I should paste it as formulas. Okay, just directly paste it. If you see here, H1610 to H1616, which the total is in 1617. So this is the formula which we have got. Okay. Now what I'll do is I have to pull this content in this tab. Okay, in the blank rows. I can't manually copy and paste, so what I'll do is I'll filter here by blank rows. Okay, and here I'll just put VLOOKUP based on this unique value, comma 6 comma 0. Okay, I'll paste this to all cells. Alt colon is for select visible cells. Please ensure you select unfilter. Now if you see here, the formula is equal to VLOOKUP, but when you see the formula, it shows as is equal to sum. So what you have to do is you have to copy this content and paste it as values. Okay, when you paste it as values, still it is not coming. What you have to do, you have to convert this text to number. So select this content, then Alt D E, text to column, which I have taught you all in the previous videos. Select delimited, next, next, and finish. Finally we have got the totals for all rows. Okay, so this is how we have to do it, manual formulas. Okay, did we do any much manual work by going and manually inserting the rows and doing things? No, right? Now in subtotal we had a total updated here. We can do even that. I'll just filter here. Wherever you want, you just say total. If you want, put colon as well and bold it. If you want entire row, you bold it, and then go till the last row, select visible cells and paste it, and again select all and make it bold. Okay, so even we got it right. It is nothing like only system can do subtotals. Even we can create it through our own formulas. Okay, so this is a way we can do it easily. It will not take much time, only practice is much required. Just watching the video one time will not give you knowledge on this. Please take a table. If you don't have a table, download it from Google. There are a lot of tables available, or create your own table with whatever details you want and keep practicing. Just note down these formulas in a notepad, which helps you. Alt EIS is to update the continuous numbers. Okay, I'll delete this, and now this file I'll send it to clients after review. Okay, so and again one more thing I'll add, which I think I just now thought which might be beneficial. Now, when a reviewer will review, if he wants to check whether the formulas are there in all cells or not, what he has to do, uh, which I had shown in the previous videos, I'll select this cell column and press F5, then click on specials, then I'll click on formulas, then OK. So wherever formulas are there, it has now highlighted. So the same place I highlighted in yellow color, so it will be easy. If I'll say control and the key below escape key, if I press that, I can review the formulas. Okay. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please do comment, or you can contact me if you know me, and if you know my email ID, please send an email. If you have any suggestions on new things to learn, please do comment and let me know so that I can also help you all on it. By saying that, thank you all, and have a good day.